Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make landings in Revit. Landings are essential components that connect different stair runs, providing a safe and level transition for users. Revit offers two primary methods for creating these crucial elements: automatic generation, which is often the quickest approach, and manual creation, which provides much greater control over the landing's shape and dimensions. We'll explore both techniques to help you master stair design. Let's start with automatic landing generation, a very efficient method. First, activate the stair command and sketch your initial stair run. Then, sketch a second run, ensuring it is parallel to the first and positioned at the correct elevation. As you complete the second run, Revit intelligently detects the connection point and automatically generates a landing between the two segments, saving you significant time and effort in your design process. For more intricate designs, manual landing creation is invaluable. Within the stair editor, select the landing tool. You can then sketch the exact boundary of your landing using drawing tools like lines and arcs. This method allows for custom shapes and non-standard connections. After sketching, ensure the landing is properly joined to your stair runs, typically by aligning edges, to form a cohesive and functional stair system. Once your landing is created, you can easily modify its properties. Select the landing to open its Instance Properties palette. Here, you can adjust crucial parameters such as its thickness, material, and even its elevation. For shape modifications, enter Edit Sketch mode to redraw its boundary. These adjustments allow you to fine-tune the landing to perfectly match your project's aesthetic and structural requirements, ensuring a polished final design.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.